Welcome to Ringlish Zone. I'm so excited you're here to level up your English skills. Today, we're moving past the basics and diving into 10 useful intermediate English sentences that will make you sound incredibly natural, confident, and articulate in almost any social or professional setting. Listen carefully, practice the pronunciation with me, and let's make your English shine. 1. I'm running a little behind. Meaning, use this instead of the simple I'm late. It's a very common, polite way to acknowledge that you are slightly delayed for an appointment, meeting, or event. Example dialogue.
Are you almost here?
Sorry, I'm stuck in traffic. I'm running a little behind. Your turn. Repeat after me. Sorry, I'm stuck in traffic. I'm running a little behind. Excellent. Let's move to the next one. 2. I'll keep you posted. Meaning, this means I will update you later when I have new information. It's professional, efficient, and shows the other person you are taking responsibility for the next step. Example dialogue.
Did they approve the plan yet?
Not yet, but as soon as I hear anything, I'll keep you posted. Your turn. Repeat after me. Not yet, but as soon as I hear anything, I'll keep you posted. Great job. Next phrase. 3. That's beside the point. Meaning, use this powerful phrase when someone is discussing something irrelevant to the main topic. It helps redirect the conversation without being overly aggressive. Example dialogue.
But the font color is blue.
That's beside the point. We still haven't finished the introduction. Your turn. Repeat after me. That's beside the point. We still haven't finished the introduction. Wonderful. Here's number 4. 4. I didn't quite catch that. Meaning, MS is a much more polite and softer way to ask someone to repeat themselves than saying what, or repeat. It acknowledges you missed the information, not that the speaker was unclear. Example dialogue.
The meeting is scheduled for 10:30 on Tuesday.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you say the time again? Your turn. Repeat after me. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you say the time again? Fantastic. Let's try the next one. 5. I'm on the fence about it. Meaning, this means you are completely undecided between 2 or more options. You are metaphorically sitting on the fence. It's an incredibly common idiomatic expression. Example dialogue.
Are you going to accept the new job offer?
I'm on the fence about it. It's a tough choice. Your turn. Repeat after me. I'm on the fence about it. It's a tough choice. Excellent pronunciation. Halfway there. 6. Could you clarify that? Meaning, a professional and respectful way to ask someone to explain something in more detail or make it clearer. Great for meetings, presentations, or school lectures. Example dialogue.
We need to follow the new protocol for submissions.
Excuse me, could you clarify that? What exactly is the new protocol? Your turn. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you clarify that? What exactly is the new protocol? Terrific. Moving along. 7. That's not exactly what I meant. Meaning, use this to politely correct someone who has misunderstood your point. It avoids sounding accusatory and keeps the tone friendly. Example dialogue.
So, you think we should cancel the whole event?
Well, that's not exactly what I meant. I just think we should postpone it. Your turn. Repeat after me. Well, that's not exactly what I meant. I just think we should postpone it. Awesome work. 2 more to go. So, you think we should cancel the whole event? 8. I'd rather not say. Meaning. A very polite and clear way to decline answering a personal or sensitive question without being rude. It sets a boundary respectfully. Example dialogue.
How much did you pay for that car?
If you don't mind, I'd rather not say. Your turn, repeat after me. If you don't mind, I'd rather not say. Brilliant. Our final sentence. 9. It's worth a shot. Meaning. This phrase means it's a good idea to try it, even if success is not guaranteed. Use it to encourage someone or suggest a low-risk option. Example dialogue.
The store might be closed now.
Well, we're already here. It's worth a shot. Your turn, repeat after me. Well, we're already here. It's worth a shot. You nailed it. 10. I'm genuinely impressed. Meaning. Use this instead of a simple, I like it or good job. The word genuinely adds sincerity and weight to your compliment, making your praise much more impactful. Example dialogue.
Here are the photos from the trip.
Wow, these are incredible. I'm genuinely impressed by your photography skills. Your turn, repeat after me. Wow, these are incredible. I'm genuinely impressed by your photography skills. You nailed all 10. You did an outstanding job practicing these 10 powerful phrases today. Incorporating these into your daily conversations will instantly make you sound more fluent, thoughtful, and like a true native speaker. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using just one of these phrases today in a real conversation. If you found this lesson valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe for more advanced lessons, and share this video with anyone else learning English. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep speaking English with confidence.